Hello, welcome everybody to September 25th stream for Gift. Yesterday was interesting, got some lessons from it. Tough day yesterday. Back today, back to doing the same analysis, same style of trading. So we'll see how it turns out. Let's go to gold. Monthly, as you can see, it is bearish AF. Weekly, you have this red candlestick. I'm expecting next week to have like a wick up and then a push down, because usually when you have a big red like this, you have another big red. As you can see, this is an example in March. It was weird. November didn't really have the same movement. November 2016, yeah. Usually you do get another week down though. But I'm expecting this to kind of hold at 1850. That's what I'm anticipating first. Kind of have a push up to like 1880s, 1890s, and then kind of head down lower. Something like this. Seems like the sellers have been exhausted at this point. I mean, the 4-hour doesn't look as good, but obviously now we have like our range. If we break above here, it's going to be easy buys. Then if we go below, that'll be easy sells at that point, right? So I'm going to keep an eye out for that. The 15 and the 30, the 15 closed bullish. And this 15 is currently going bearish at this point. Yeah, no, I think we'll just watch it. I am kind of looking for buys today, just for the fact that we've had this huge sell-off. We're at the support again. I'm anticipating for it to like reach up here today, sometime today, and then kind of push past to like 1880s, 1890s eventually. But that's obviously the most ideal situation, but it won't be like that. We'll see how this like hour closes, how the 30-minute closes, how this whole time closes. Need multiple time frames to close bullish. The reason why I'm kind of in the longs, I'm gonna enter one right now actually. So I just entered. My stop loss is gonna be kind of tight at 56. So the reason why I'm in longs is because we had this support created. This is a resistance right here. What I'm anticipating is it to like kind of move up. It's a Friday. The seller's exhaustion. I feel like the sellers are kind of slowed down at this point, and for the price to actually have a nice little reversal on the way up. But we'll see though. It's obviously in a bearish trend, so I'm not risking too much right now, but I'll be controlling my risk on this trade for sure. Biggest thing is we're at this whole support area, right? So being at this support, I feel like the buys are still going to be kind of valid, especially if we start closing bullish. Then we could see an easy move to like 67 and potentially further on upwards. But now we have the intraday range, and if it breaks above here, for example, above 62, that price from yesterday, should continue up higher. And then eventually what I'm looking for is for it to break hold on, give me a sec, I'm just looking at it right now. Eventually for it to break this upper level right here to continue on upwards to 80s and 90s. Or this could also break lower too. I'll be keeping a good eye on this trade for sure. But yeah, yesterday I think all the choppiness from yesterday got me. I mean, the idea was right. I had the longs above here, but my long was like here, even though I should have waited till I guess it happened at 9 o'clock, which is interesting, but it happens, right? Can't really predict it. Can only anticipate it, and I did, but I anticipated it too early yesterday. See, my whole thing with this trade now is if it breaks above here, I think I'm going to enter. So like 63 to 67 is going to be the trade. Here, I just have a gauger position right now, kind of just gauging, feeling it out, nothing too crazy on it. But yeah, obviously we'll see what happens. If it does start going up and if the candlesticks start to go bullish here, like if this creates kind of a support for price to continue on upwards, then yeah, I'll be entering more longs. But what I'm looking for is I do want to see bullish candles. I don't want to see anything like this. That kind of turns me off from the trade. Oh, there we go. See that rejection and then the push up? That is exactly what I was looking for right there. Rejection down, push up, and that should look like that's a 15-minute. Yeah, the 5-minute looks like that too. So now with this rejection push up, I feel like this 30-minute should continue. And if you go to the hourly too, we had an hour bullish close. So I feel like this hour should continue on upwards too. The thing is, it's a Friday, and with Fridays, you do see weird movements like this. For lack of a better term, they are pretty weird movements like this. So happy I didn't keep an overnight. Almost had an overnighter. What time was it? I think it was around like 10. I had it at like 69, and then I got out at like 71. I was like, I can't hold on to it. Good thing I didn't, because look at the big retracement after. But that's neither here or there. I'm anticipating this to eventually hit 1880s. So who knows? Maybe I will hold it over the weekend. Let's say today it starts breaking the highs. Then yeah, I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. I feel like you're gonna get that reversal on gold. Usually you do when it trends down or trends up like that. Usually you get that day or two where it kind of reverses. So like you see this trend up, you get a day kind of slow down, and then usually you get another one. This one was straight bullish because of the fundamentals and everything. This sell-off is just, I guess, price action, regular trading. But usually when you get a sell-off like that, you get a nice push up. That's the one thing I'm kind of anticipating for this trade. So we'll see how it turns out. And if it does break all these levels, I'm going to be holding it. Get a nice push up. Have a runner held. Get out some for profit. And then I'll be good. Biggest thing is I want it to go above like 62. 63 to 67 is kind of the area I want it to be my 40 pips. Because if it breaks, so like this formation right now, sell down, this should have continued, but now you have this support being created and this push up. So with this push up, I'm thinking 64, 65, 66, 67, those areas will get hit. But now we know this whole area is a zone. This whole area is a support, and this upper area is a resistance. So we got our levels mapped out for next week. It's a 5-minute look. 5-minute ain't looking too bad, actually. Let's go 1 minute. Let's give ourselves some anxiety over here on the trade. Really look at the other pairs, eh? It's lagging, though. What time is this? 9 o'clock. So we're tracing quite a bit right now. I'll give it some time. Yeah, I think the biggest thing is with all this traffic here, we want to see a break above, and if it breaks above, then those buys will be confirmed in a sense. So we'll wait and see for that. Got 2 more minutes till this closes. Pretty sure core durable go to orders are coming up too. Whoops. Forex factory. Yeah, core durable good orders are coming up. So see how that turns out. That's in about 30 seconds now. So dollar making new high. Nah, the dollar's just chilling. How's this 30-minute closing? Doji, no real direction. Lower high. I mean, higher, lower low, and a higher high on the candlestick too. But like I said, it has to finish above. So Forex factory. Shouldn't move it too much. It's very light news today. Durable good orders worse than expected. Core durable good orders. Worse than expected too. Okay, that's not bad for the longs. I mean, it's light news though, so it doesn't really matter. But yeah, push above here. Honestly, from like, if it starts pushing above, let's say the 15-minute starts breaking above, then I'll enter my other long, get out at the 40 pips. I think it's gonna be 65. Then I think I'm gonna hold a position over the weekend because I think I told Chan yesterday too, near the end of the stream, like it had that move up, but with this move up and this support kind of being created right here, if this starts to break out, then yeah, I do anticipate it to test these highs and eventually break it. So I think I'm gonna hold it from this point, one of the positions. But obviously I want to secure profits on my other position though, so that's gonna be the biggest key on that one. I think around 65, if I have to be honest with you. So if this starts breaking out, then 65 would be my take profit. If it breaks out, that's the biggest key. We want to see this go the other way, not this way. But yeah, I guess we got to be patient for this trade. This 30-minute look. Pound USD, pound CAD, pound CHAP. Time was at 1 o'clock. Because we see on this daily candle, we have a higher low on the wick too. So in that sense, it's still pretty good. I think I'm just going to be patient and wait for the formation to happen before anything else. All right, since this broke the lows, I'm going to get out half my gauger, kind of control my risk at this point. So I got out half my gauger. And we're just going to chill on the rest. See what happens. Because I do want to see bullish formation before entering, but I don't know if that's gonna happen or no. 4 hour doesn't look so good. This 4 hour, not that good either. We're at this resistance or support level, so just gotta wait. Okay, I'm out of the rest of my gauger. Nah, I just want to wait for the bullish formation before anything else. So this is going kind of bearish at the moment. Yeah, this is breaking the lows, so I have to get out of everything. So I do think it's going to test like 52 area now. But around this area, I think I'll get out and then look for longs potentially. But we'll see how this goes, how it reacts around this area. How's the hourly look? Yeah, hourly, wake up, push down. So we'll keep an eye out for this. Obviously, if it breaks the lows today, then yeah, it's going to be another continued short. So that's one thing to keep an eye out for. Because we're still on a bearish trend anyways, right? So we'll have to see how this 5 minute closes, how the next 5 minute opens up. Seems to be holding this area. So if I did enter, my stop would be below the area, which is still pretty big, but yeah, this one looks like it's bearish, about to break. I'm gonna chill on it for a bit. This looks interesting. The support was created. It's kind of pushing up right now too. Keep an eye on this. 2 more minutes till this one closes. This one rejected down here too. It's interesting how everything's moving right now. It's a lot of waiting, a lot of watching. So keep that in mind. I think if this one starts breaking up higher, then we should be able to get in on a long. This hit 58. Yeah, this thing, I think it has to break above my area, my zone, before I enter a long. It looks good though, but I think I'll wait for it. Might be with the 7 o'clock open, or like the last 15 minutes of this 6 o'clock candlestick should pop up. This 15-minute closed pretty nicely, actually. Let it enter long. 13 cents for potential push higher. How did this one close? Oh wow, this 15-minute closed bullish. That's insane. Yeah, this should continue up higher. That's crazy how this one finished. So my analysis was right. And we should see an expected continued push higher. So we'll see how that turns out. Same with silver too. Actually, silver 15-minute closed very nicely. So this one should continue up higher as well. This one has a nice range too if it breaks above that area. But we'll see what happens. I did get into silver just because the formation looked very nice. I think I'm gonna get 20 cents here. So I got in at 77. I have my TP at 23 at the moment. So we'll see if it plays out. Just because gold's ripping up too, and usually silver follows gold, and this should rip up higher in theory. So we'll have to keep an eye out on that. Because if this breaks the highs over here at 22.86, should go easily to $23, and that's where my take profit's at. And just based off the 15-minute and now even the 30-minute support created, push up, breaks above 90, that's a clean move higher. So we'll keep an eye on that. Excuse me. So my analysis from earlier could play out Friday. Sellers exhaustions kind of have a push up. So I think we'll wait. But yeah, if it starts going pretty bullish here, you're going to see a nice continued move upwards to maybe even the top. But 23 is going to be my take profit for now. And if it breaks, yeah, if it breaks above this area, we're going to be good. This whole resistance area. Man, how this turned out was actually pretty nice. Not gonna lie, on gold. Called that in the morning. Not the best execution, for sure not, but the support held, and now if it breaks above here, then then it's good to continue on higher. Same with silver too. Silver with this formation, typically speaking, you do see it continue higher. So that's what I feel like. I feel like this move looks cleaner than the gold move. Gold was kind of choppy on the 15-minute. It was like making the new low and then had to push up and then all this weird stuff. So kind of turned me away. But when I looked at silver, I was like, there's clean candlestick movement at the moment. So that's the reason why I entered silver instead of gold. And I got in at a pretty good price at 75. So 75 to 23. And then I might have another average if it breaks above 22.86. Have it like 22.90 area, 22.90 to 23. I feel like that's another good target for the 10 cents. But I think we'll wait and see how the candlesticks form. I need the last like 8 minutes to have a big push up, and then we'll be good. Especially if this 30-minute breaks above these wicks. That's the most ideal situation, in my opinion. I like that push up now. That's nice. Nice little wick on the 5-minute, and then a push up. So yeah, I'm not gonna enter on the 6 o'clock candle hour if it like pushes past here. Oh wait, sorry, this one. I'm not gonna enter on the 6 o'clock if it pushes past up here, but I think the next hour, if it kind of wicks down and then goes up, I'll enter on that. This looks nice though. This had a nice wick down, and then it should push up. Silver follows gold, so that's why I entered silver too. Because I mean, in theory, trade does look good. This one flipped bullish now. But yeah, like I said, finishes above 22.90, and it's going higher. I could even see 23.10 being hit today, but the daily look, yeah, daily looks good too. What time was this? 05:05. That was way earlier. Mm-hmm. Push up. Yeah, it's pushing up now, which is good. Three more minutes. Last 3 minutes, I'm expecting a big push up, so we'll have to wait and see about that. That's what I'm anticipating. And even if it doesn't in this hour, I feel like next hour you're going to get that move up after a wick down. There it goes. That's what I was looking for. It's going to require some patience, I think. 2 more minutes till this one closes too. But yeah, look at this formation on gold. Wow, that is nice on the 15-minute. This is going to prop up eventually here. 2 more minutes till it closes. Even the 30-minute bullish candle finishes bullish. The next 30 minutes should honestly just push up. You have this huge liquidity grab, maybe a mini wick down, and then a big push up. And then when we look at silver, same thing, right? The hourly have this liquidity grab, push up, 30-minute is pushing up, created a support, pushed up. So I need anything above here now. So like if it wicks down at the start of the hour, then pushes up, that's I think I'll enter from like 22.90 to 23. I think that's gonna be my target areas for today for 10 cents. A lot of waiting though. A lot of waiting. Still stuck in a mini range, which is unfortunate, but even with the mini range, we got some nice buying pressure on it, on both actually. So 7 o'clock close. So now we could like actually analyze it. 7 o'clock bullish, not strong, but bullish. 2 bullish candlesticks is pretty good indication. The 7 o'clock did not close good. This one didn't either, but the true one is this one. Starts at 4 o'clock. And I could just map it out in my head from the one that starts at 4. So this is a high. This is a wick. So if it pushes past this 4-hour high, then it's going to test the highs over here at 23.10 area. But obviously we're playing intraday. We're not going to predict how the 4-hour finishes. We see this one finish bullish. This one's creating a mini wick down. This one closed very nicely bullish. I love how this candlestick closed right here on the 30-minute for gold. As we can see on the hour, that closed bullish as well. You already have this huge liquidity grab, so this candlestick shouldn't really have a big move down. And it would push up higher. Even this one too. You have the bullish close, liquidity wicks here and here. So I think we just gotta be patient and let the trade play out a little bit. Let it move, let it do its thing, because the 30-minute close bullish here. So any break now above 2285, I feel like that'll be like the long of the day. And this one too. This one has to break above 1861, 62 area for it to continue up higher. But we'll see what happens really. I'm anticipating 23 or 2290 to 23. That's the move. I think that's the easiest 10-cent move on silver you could ever ask for. Yeah, you get this wick down and this should push up higher soon here. But like I said, you got to break above these wicks. So this whole kind of area right here. Any break above that, you're gonna get continued buying pressure. I think it coincides with the gold too. Any break above here is going to be continued buying pressure on gold as well. So let it go. Ooh, nice. Congrats, throwbacks. Happy bonus paycheck for you. That's a good day for you. What are you going to use it on? Nice dinner, Forex, uni, tether. It's all in your hands, whatever you want to use it on now. Oh, I should really have my long position here. Get the long position. It's I have it like 75, 77 area. So got your L's back. Nice, good job, man. Good job. You think Denver's gonna get their L's back? The Nuggets down 3-1 again. You think they're gonna come back or what? That's what I kind of said though. I felt like the Nuggets were gonna be down 3-1 again, and then it'll be like 3-2, and then the Lakers will win Game 6. That's how I feel like it's gonna go. Just give everybody false hope. Start your journey back. Yeah, the journey's gonna. You want to trade Forex Monday? Start the journey back. See if I'm good with me. Yeah, no, we'll do it together, man. I got a long way to go too, so don't worry. We'll do that journey together, and it'll be fun, actually. Nah, it's up. Nice, good job, man. Did you watch your Nuggets yesterday though? Oh shit, yo, good job on this trade. Wow, $5. Yeah, that was it. Congrats, secure the bag. Secure that bag, my friend. Yeah, this one broke 62, so this is going to continue to like 67 area, and this one's going to continue to 23. Get this nice push up on gold. Get this nice push up on silver. Should see continued momentum up to $23 on silver. That'll be it for me for the day, actually, to be honest. I was right on the gold analysis from earlier. It's kind of bad execution, unfortunately, but fuck it, it is what it is. Finding new support on Uni. Nice, nice. I'll look at it after this trade, man. I kind of want to focus on this trade first. Silver trade, quite volatile, but should see a continued pop. Yeah. Continued pop is going to happen for sure. But I was right on this analysis. Support created. It was going to be an update. It's Friday. Seller's exhaustion. But now we know. Now we have that range. And now with gold, we can potentially next week see a push past above here from like intraday, kind of get the lower ones and then push to like 1880s on gold. But right now I'm in silver, so I'm just going to play this. Got 10 more cents on it before it hits my take profit. Movement was clean though. Fuck, I should really leverage that long down here. It's all good. That was a 5-minute look. 2 more minutes for that close. 2 more minutes for that close. Yeah, it's gonna be good. 15, yeah, this 30 too. 30 just push past above these wicks. You're gonna get up here eventually now. Typically, that's how charts do work. Green, green, and then another green candle. Patience gonna pay off here. That was a 1 minute. That was a fat 1 minute push though. Wow. Any sense is that 10 cent 1 minute. Fucking almost 40 pips on the 1 minute. That's insane. One more minute for the 5-minute close. And the next 5 minutes should push up for a 15-minute close. Excuse me. In theory, we should have a continued move upwards. In theory. Just by how candlesticks are forming, bullish. This broke above, created the liquidity wick, broke above, even the hour broke above. So the hour should continue to rise a little bit higher. So we'll see how that one goes. But yeah, into next week, I am expecting a bullish move. That's what I'm anticipating. We have our range form now. So we'll have to wait and see how that one goes. This looks nice though. Look at the wicks there. And then the push up. So we'll have to be patient. Honestly, you gotta let it form, give it some room to move, and then kind of execute from that point. starts going up, might add. If it starts going up, means this candlestick would have to start going bullish too. So pretty sure the 15 is finishing pretty bullish on these two. Yeah, that 15 is finishing bullish here. How much time's left? 2 more minutes. Yeah, the 1 minute found support. Now it should be going up. 18s. Let's look at the 15-minute close. Yeah, 15-minute close here. Yeah. It's a 30-minute look. 30 minutes still looks good. Yeah, I just gotta be patient with it. Interesting. How that moved. Little sell. Damn, I actually thought I was gonna hit 23, but I guess it didn't have enough bullish move momentum to push up to 23. Interesting. It's back at like break-even price right now. starts going bullish again, then yeah, I think it'll be good. But other than that, it's going kind of bearish, which is weird. Didn't expect that to happen after this 5-minute candle pushed up like that. That was weird. But I think if it breaks above this current 5-minute candle, then we're good. If not, then I'll have to consider getting out of the trade. Yeah, I got out of silver. It just didn't turn out so well.
Morning.
Yo, what up? What up? How you doing, man?
Good. Over yourself?
I'm chilling. I'm chilling. Damn, it was choppy this morning.
Yeah.
I expected this.
Silver.
Yeah, because I wanted to go on gold, but it was just so choppy. Like, I wanted to go on the long, right? And yeah, on this area, like I was just looking and looking, and it looked like a long, especially after this rejection, but didn't look as clean. And this one looked a lot cleaner.
Yeah.
Like if you look at the 15 and the 15 here, just in general, this looked a lot cleaner. So with that, I went long, and yo, it broke out, but it didn't continue. Even gold too. Like gold broke out of this level I had, but didn't continue. So I found that like pretty weird.
So you closed the trade?
Yeah, I closed silver. I think I'm gonna be done for the day soon, to be honest, man. Yeah, so choppy. Enough. Like you see this formation going bullish, and then this big bearish candlestick. Because I was anticipating this like gold to get to like 65 at least, back in the middle of the range.
Yeah.
Especially after how this formed and after how the hour candlesticks formed too, like bull.
Would you take the opposite trade?
Opposite right now, potentially. Actually, yeah, that seems like
Since it failed to break out.
That seems like a pretty reasonable idea, to be honest. So, failed to break out, so yeah, it's a good idea.
I'm looking at euro. It's weird too. It's barely moving. Like it's actually moving just 10 pips.
Just choppy, right?
Yeah.
It's like, yo, like choose a direction. Shit. But it is what it is, man. Maybe I'll take the opposite. I don't know.
No, I'm just throwing it out there.
Yeah, fair enough.
Just because it closed underneath that zone that you drew.
Yeah, I know. Well, it went underneath it on gold, and I feel like it's still bearish overall. Let's be honest. Everything's like selling off. I just figured Friday would have that seller's exhaustion type day, but obviously not.
It's all good.
But no, you're right. If it does start going down, and if the 30-minute does close below like this, and the 15-minute does too, then yeah, I think you're right on that opposite side of the trade.
Yeah. Let's see.
Euro. Looks like Euro did the same thing, huh?
Yeah.
Bullish close, and then this thing happened.
Just wondering if Euro found support and if that was a liquidity grab. just gotta wait for the 10-minute to close. Is he testifying today too?
No, he's done for the week.
Thank God.
Thank God.
Maybe he just gave too much information. People are just more clouded than ever. That's why it's so choppy.
That's what I'm thinking. Fucking just straight cloudiness at the moment. Kind of hope this does break lower, gold and silver, for the fact that if it does, then it gives better buy opportunities because you're gonna get that next week with the weekly wake up. But at the end of the day, yesterday was bullish too. That's why I'm like kind of hesitant on going short. I was more confident going longs, but it is what it is.
Yeah. Wow, daily. That's nice. Annotate. How many pips to the bottom?
Oh, you're looking at silver.
Well, I'm just looking at the charts since it's up.
13 cents. 13 for 13. That's a 5-minute though. If you look at 15, it doesn't look so good. And the 32, you have the 30 rejection up top, but fuck it, man.
Yeah, it's pretty dirt.
It's so dirt right now. Even this too, this made like a new low. And then just pushes all the way up. Who the fuck knows what's gonna happen, to be honest.
Trade. 5 pips for 5 pips.
You gonna do 5 pips for 5 pips on Euro?
I don't know, man. That's really what it's only giving, but I don't even know if I want to trade.
Yeah, honestly, it might be better just sitting on the sides at this point.
Yeah. As the move was during London session.
Might have to go play expert on that thing.
Yeah. Oh, that's gonna take us forever, honestly. Because I don't know how the hell we're even gonna get to the beach.
It's so true. Yeah, we're kind of fucked on expert there. I wouldn't mind playing it again real quick though.
Yeah. By the way, throwbacks, man. Murray is a beast. I hope we signed him up.
Dude, Murray is nuts.
When is his contract coming up?
He should be like most improved bubble player. Fuck.
Dude, he's insane, man. Like that over and under.
On
like,
LeBron?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was nice. That was smooth.
Man. Never seen such a beautiful move, man. And then Dwight was there too, wasn't he? Or who?
He came after. It was LeBron, and then Dwight was behind a little bit, but still, either way, that move was fucking sick.
That's 2 giants, man, and he's small, dude.
Yeah, he's a small dude, so.
And one thing I wish we had like, I wish Caruso did this more. And this is not hating on Caruso, but it's just, I wish it is just like what Murray does is that he keeps his dribble alive.
Yeah, he does do that, eh?
I find that, and this is a bad thing for the Lakers, I find that when LeBron has the ball, a lot of them just stare, and then LeBron just like, he's waiting, but then he just has to drive. It's either a bad shot or something like that. You could tell at the last half of the game he was so tired. I don't know if it was him getting like Charlie
LeBron?
horsed and stuff.
Dude, he was playing hard yesterday, though. He played a pretty good game yesterday.
No, I know he
Since
did,
I
but
know.
he felt so gassed to me.
Yeah, that's true too. I could see him being gassed like that.
Yeah, but I'm surprised they didn't play Dwight after the first quarter. Because I thought they would because Jokic was.
They didn't play Dwight? I thought they did play Dwight.
In the second half, I feel like probably like a minute.
Oh shit, I didn't know that.
It is like the first half. I know in the first quarter, anyways, he had 10 points and 8 rebounds, and like 8 of those rebounds, I think 4 of them were offensive rebounds.
Mm-hmm.
It's insane, man. I just don't understand.
He defends Jokic pretty good too, doesn't
he? He did.
Yeah, he knows how to defend him. That's why he was starting over JaVale, I'm guessing.
And plus, Dwight's a better defender than JaVale. I'm not hating on JaVale, but Dwight's won like Defensive Player of the Year, once or twice?
Yeah, he's more of a fundamental defender. JaVale's more of an athletic defender. I mean,
and
they're
he's
both
way
athletic.
Stronger.
Yeah, Dwight's way stronger.
Way stronger than JaVale. So I don't know. It's good because I think like Dwight has to go ham. Is first of all, Lakers are better if they have a lead in the first period.
It's true.
They're not the comeback kids.
No, right? Definitely not.
Right? And the second thing is it's good because it tires the hell of Jokic. Because in game 3 and 4, Jokic, I think, is 0 for 5. Has 2 rebounds. Like, his stats are really bad in the fourth quarter.
Really?
Yeah. And that's kind of what you kind of need. Because if Jokic is killing it, especially in the fourth, Murray's always clutch in the fourth. Because if you look at stats from Murray, it's insane for the fourth quarter.
Yeah, I know. He's like on another level in the fourth quarter.
He's like 70% from the 3.
I know,
65% from the field goal, like still 100% from playoff in the whole playoff series for free throws.
I know, that's insane, man. That's actually like insane.
Like he's the closer, man. He's like younger version of Dame.
Of Dame?
Yeah, Lillard. Because Lillard's a closer too.
Yeah, Lillard's a closer too. No, I could see that comparison for sure.
Yeah, like dude, freaking wild, man. Love it.
He is pretty fucking insane though, I have to admit.
Yeah, Dwight is underrated. But I mean, he had a great career in Orlando. And then what? Kind of fell off, went to Houston.
Just fell apart. I don't know if it fell off necessarily, but more so like fell apart.
Right? Well, his back, herniated disc.
And and he had to like recover that whole incident. So
so I think he was young. He got a lot of money and stuff. He had like what five baby mamas or something like that.
Something crazy like that. Yeah, it's insane.
So it is what it is. But yeah, it was definitely an insane game. Yes, like I was on edge of my seat the whole night.
Yeah, you can relax, right?
No,
anything could happen.
I guess is a good thing and a bad thing because I mean I like it, but I don't.
Because anything can happen at that point.
Yeah, that's the thing. That's the thing, buddy.
Dude, it's way too choppy today. I might have to call it soon here.
Yeah.
It's disgusting how choppy it is right now.
Oh, maybe I could have done that. I was just talking, like, I'm just looking at Euro, and like, when I was talking about 5 pips, put a buy limit 5 pips from the bottom of the previous wick, that would have been hit, and then it's like, I don't know, 2 pips away. I mean, no point. Now it's like about 1 pip away.
It's not too bad.
But I don't know. It's really slow. Yesterday and today, I don't know what's going on, man. I mean, yesterday.
Well, it just slowed down, right? Like after, you know how Forex moves after big down weeks, it usually has like a slowdown type chill out day, kind of in a sense. So, right, for the most part.
I think yesterday was just choppy as hell.
Yeah,
Still got 10, 20 pips, but like, I mean, it did finally break out in direction, but how long did it take? From 4 o'clock in the morning till 9:30. So 6 hours of just pure choppiness.
Yeah, it took a while for that one to play out.
Yeah.
Volume low? Yeah, you could say the volume's semi-low. I would say it's like completely low.
No, the choppiness is quite high.
Yeah, choppiness is quite high. Yeah, I guess the volume might be low in a sense too. So.
Oof. Dang. 5 pips right there. That was the move.
See, look at this fake out on this thing, man. Red candle, green candle, red candle, green candle.
Yeah.
Fucking Christmas over here, man. Holy.
Is that 30? Yeah. Honestly, man, yeah, that's what happened with me QQQ.
Yeah.
And then if I had just waited for, it to slow down a bit, instead of candles, we saw like,
price
greens or reds, like a trend forming. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because like when I simulated, like when I paper traded after I got stopped out yesterday, it was fine. It was just like normal.
Fucking really choppy though. Nah, whatever.
It's okay though.
It's all good.
That's what we have to adapt. We have to keep changing. Change with the markets. Can't hate on it.
Not hating on it, man. Just watching it. Honestly, I do feel like gold's gonna go like 1880s starting next week. Silver is probably gonna hit like mid 23s, maybe even 24.
Yeah.
It's such a huge drop. Yeah, metals and Forex pairs usually do get that correction too. So at least a little bit, anyways. Even Euro, man, I can see Euro hit like 117 next week. How it slowed down here. If this one continues up, hits 117, retest, and then crash. That's all, all to look for, something like that, and then crash.
Yeah, you can see it can retest and stuff. I mean, if this this current daily candlestick turns bullish, then yeah, I could see a retest.
Yeah,
if it stays the same red, then I might expect the red candlestick to be red.
Yeah, I know what you mean on that, but yeah,
right.
Yeah, I see that.
Well, we'll see how it ends today. It's not like I'm really gonna do anything.
What is this point anyways? 57,
Yeah.
Oh, so it has to go like above here. I mean, you never know, right? Anything.
Yeah, you never know. I agree. I mean, like I said, though, I don't know what. I probably wouldn't do anything right now. The trade's already happened. That 5 pip trade happened. So
yeah, it's Friday
that
too.
Was my trade idea, but I don't know. I've never really traded 5 pips, so I don't think I'm gonna try anything new until I test it.
Dude, imagine just be a 5 pip scalper, 5 trades, 5 pips.
5 trades, 5 pips.
Just be so quick with it. Like, yo, enter on the wick, get out. Just on the 5-minute candlesticks.
5 pips from plus around. Yeah. Honestly, yeah, you could.
Dude, I could do that with gold so easy, to be honest.
But it's hard
Really?
because at the same time too, it's just like
What do you
5
risk?
pips is not much room for you.
No, you gotta be right? Like, you gotta be like, enter, and you gotta be right.
All the time.
Yeah, you literally, well, even on 2 candlesticks, like, let's look at gold right now. You enter after this 5-minute closes, so you enter probably like 1860.
Yeah.
Get out like 1860.5, 5 pips.
That didn't even wick though.
Yeah, I know. That's insane.
If it wicked, it's over.
That's so funny, man.
5 pips. 5 pips is, what is that? Oh, that's like 50 cents. Right?
Yeah.
On gold. That's wild.
That's quick. That happens in like fucking on a tick chart.
Yeah, it does.
Fucking
That's
tick
wild.
chart.
Oh, I don't know, man. If this breaks up, gold might go up, man.
I think it
You have the
will.
first
To be
initial
honest, I
break.
did enter a mini position on silver down here as it started going up.
Nice.
A straight cowboy entry, so I didn't call it on stream. After this 5-minute close, I was like, enter here, stop loss here. There it goes.
Nice.
Man, it did hit fucking that 23, won't it? What a piece of shit.
You always have
Got
failed and like the
faked
failed
the fuck
breakout,
out.
and then the second one's the real deal.
Yeah, the second one. The same shit happened yesterday, dude. Same fucking shit happened yesterday.
Yeah. Yo, look at natural gas on Black Bull. It's insane.
Natural gas on Black Bull.
You won't even believe it's like what
What the hell?
Yeah.
Wait,
When
what
I
was
saw
that?
them, like, yo, that's a huge move. That's a 70-cent move.
It might be something to do with the liquidity providers. Like, is that how it moved in like Finviz?
Well, it's interesting because natural gas on Finviz, it did gap up from 220 or 215 to like 285.
Wow,
But
that's
this is a
insane.
spot price, yo. And yo, imagine if like I don't know, man. Imagine you had a stop, right? Which obviously would have been executed. Like imagine you had a stop at 232.
Yeah,
That would have been executed at 286. Your account would probably been blown up by then.
I don't know. I think that what happened with natural gas? That's fucked up.
I don't know. There's no news today for natural gas.
When did that happen? What time?
Oops. That was I'm on the hour chart, so okay, this is the
7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
2, 1, 1 and 2.
That's insane. That's actually fucking insane.
Yeah. Actually, let's check on where is this? On TradingView, natural gas. Natural gas futures. Why can't I click on our futures? No, they're kind of weird. What did happen on these guys? Oh, there's the Mexican ones. Let's go. E-minis. Yeah, E-minis look okay. Nothing crazy happened. E-minis is actually gapped up on the 22nd. But I guess they're dated from a specific month. Yeah, too much. Yeah, that's definitely... I definitely give them a freaking harsh call.
Wow, yeah, that gapped up. That's insane.
Yeah, but it basically ruined every person with a stop. Is you know that the people that had a stop above would have been executed like 280-ish.
Yeah, they would have gotten slipped.
And you know, one contract is like what, $100 a cent.
Something like that, yeah.
So that's a $7,000 slip.
That's fucked up.
And then it goes back up all the way.
Did you show Yuri that or what?
No, I haven't yet.
Send it to be like, yo, Yuri, imagine.
Yeah. Yeah, that's true. Send it.
But imagine if you're long on that, dude. Fuck.
Yo, long or short, you've been screwed.
If you were long on that?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I guess it went all the way down too.
It went all the way down, then back up, but your account would have been stopped out.
Yeah, never mind. That's true.
Probably you would have been stopped. I don't know if you had like a $10,000 account.
I wonder what they did with that. They must have had something on their liquidity provider that was doing something with that or something. I don't know.
Yeah, but that looked shady as hell.
Yeah, it did. But it did gap up on Finviz, so I guess the futures did gap up, and to be fair.
But on Finviz yesterday.
Oh, and this was only like 5 hours ago. Yeah, that's true.
Let's see, hour. Yeah, this happened a while. This happened on the 24th. What time? 8 p.m. 24th at 8 p.m. Yeah. That's crazy.
By the way, if you want an easy 20 pip trade, take a long on gold.
All right.
63 to 65.
63 to 65.
I'm gonna enter in now. I got it. 15-minute closed above now. That's the one thing that is key, because that's the same thing that happened yesterday.
So
I had this fake up.
again? Sorry.
Stop loss probably gonna be 30 pip. I'm guessing 60, but I'm only going like half position because I might average down half too if it heads lower. So I'm gonna go half position. So I got it like 62.70, but it is what it is.
So wait, sorry, it's stops at 1860.
Yeah.
60.
Same thing happened yesterday though. Like you look at this move. This move is where I have my long. Then it went all the way down, and now this is the second move where the candlestick finishes above.
So 20
the next
pips,
candlestick.
20 pips, right?
Yeah, about 20 for 20. Well, a little less than 1 to 1.
Oh, it's about 30, I guess.
Yeah.
For me, anyways.
Well, I got it at 62.70, so mine's gonna be
62.83.
Yeah, so 22 for 30. I'm half position though. I feel like that's gonna be a decent size.
Yeah.
Trade. 20 pips. Man, but if it doesn't, I think I'm gonna just end the stream, go enjoy the weekend, man. Fuck.
Yeah.
I got another half right here at 61.50.
Alright.
1860 is still the stop. 1859.50. I moved it down a little bit, give it a little bit more room to move. And it's gonna get hit, isn't it? I'm fucking 4 pips away. Fuck, dude. Oh, wow. I'm happy I moved it lower.
Mm-hmm. And what's your TP gonna be at?
65. My average is like 61 or 62.10 ish. After commission, probably 62.20.
One minute chart.
5 minute look. This fakes me out again, dude. I'm done for the day. Just cut it at that point.
Yeah, I'm just gonna close it, man.
You're gonna close it.
Just looking at the 1 minute.
Oh shit. Fucking the anxiety chart.
Yeah, I know.
Fuck yeah, that was a bad call for now. But 50. Let's have a 27 pip risk for a 28 pip gain. Should have waited a little bit longer for that. Fuck.
It's all good. Oh.
Oh, never mind.
5, 1.
Now I'm in profit.
Nice.
Well, I'll break even around this area. Profit. Excuse me.
Bless you.
Thanks, man. So in reality, it wasn't the easiest 20 pips. More like a fucking anxiety-driven 20 pips.
Yeah, I'm just gonna close the chart. Okay, I'm gonna get something to drink. Be right back.
Did you close the chart?
Yeah, I closed the chart.
Time is flying by. It is. It actually is flying by. It's already 8 o'clock. It's fast 8 o'clock. Yeah, we're in this long on gold pretty much right now. Throwbacks. So we're long like right here. Stop loss below here and take profit 65 right up here. So that's our trade as of right now. You're on break. Nice, nice.
Nice, you're almost at TP.
Yeah, I think it'll get there eventually here. So gotta wait. Let's look at the candle closes. 30-minute looks pretty good. Hourly looks good. 15-minute looks good. 15-minute looks all right. Be like a nice wick down, push up. Gonna happen.
All right, let's see what the word of the day is.
What's the word of the
Oh,
day?
nice. Willikers. Used as an intense. Actually, wait, what is it? Okay. Used as an intensive after G or golly G to express astonishment or delight. Oh, this example is funny. Why, she gasped. It's money. Gee willikers, $10. This is the 1940s.
Gee willikers.
Gee willikers, boys. God dang, that's funny.
Do you know that meme where it's like you keep watching it bounce off that area for the support or for the stop loss?
No, send it over.
Oh, I think I sent it a while back where it's like close to hitting your SL. I'll have to find it now. That's what I'm watching with this trade bouncing up and down here.
Oh.
It's like boom, 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 boom.
Yeah, it's
like so close to.
Yeah, it's wild, man.
It's way too wild, man. Throwbacks at G Willikers.
Yeah. Man, it is so funny. That word of the day got me laughing. G Willikers.
G Willikers.
Well, you know what? Jamal Murray, man, he got me saying G Willikers many times yesterday. Man, the moves on that kid is crazy, and he's only 23. I remember him just for the fact that I remember he was the first time he is a rookie that, in his rookie year, I think he was cold. He was like 0-20 his first like 10 games or something.
Was he?
Yeah, I think he had a bad start. Not saying he was a bad player per se, but you're nervous. You're playing on the big stage at that point, right?
Yeah.
But yeah, obviously, it was interesting. That's how I remember him. His name, anyways.
He's a good old Canadian guy, man.
Is he Canadian?
Yeah, man, he's Canadian.
Damn, man. That's lit. You know whose jersey I want to get, man?
Whose jersey?
And the reason why is also he played with my basically fastball number 2 is Hero.
Yeah, Hero
number
safe.
14, man. Like,
Dude, fucking 20-year-old just killing it.
Like killing it, man. I don't know if that's a record for a playoff performance for his age.
I think it is, to be honest.
20-year-old getting 37 points is wild, bro.
It actually is pretty wild. He killed it. Oh, I got stopped out. By the way. Guess I'm done for the day, man.
It's all good.
Wow. Yeah. I just don't get it no more, man. I don't get it.
No, it's all good, man. It's honestly, yeah, man. That's why when like it was almost close to break even, I punched out just for the fact that it's so choppy.
Yeah, it's way too choppy.
It's Friday. It's just like whatever, man. It is what it is. I think Euro retraced too. Yeah.
Euro retraced? Yeah, Euro did retrace it.
Yeah, but yeah.
Not that much. It's choppy as fuck too.
Yeah.
Everything's just straight choppy.
5 pips. I'm just looking at Euro. I'm like, just making lower highs and lower highs.
Yeah, on this chart, I think if it breaks, you might be good on that short.
Yeah, and like see how this candlestick forms was like you put a sell stop at 25, it might actually push through this time.
Yeah, 25 to like
Oof.
15 would be a nice 10 pip one.
Yeah, and I mean higher time frames, it's bearish.
It is bearish. Daily down to 4 hour. Yeah, that's all bearish right now.
Yeah.
Even the 1 hour opened up pretty bearish.
Yeah. Let's do it. Oh.
Did you get in?
Just now, but oh shoot.
What?
Oh, I went 100 lot.
100 lot?
Or 10 lot.
Oh my god.
Oh my
god. So it's $100 a pip. Are you out a little bit of it or no?
I'm just waiting to punch out.
Yeah. Holy shit. What price?
Oh, 19.4. Oh,
did you get out?
Crazy. I made the commissions though, but that was crazy.
Did you punch out of all of it?
No, I still have a lot.
Oh, okay, that's good then.
Holy like, smokes! Man. Sorry, it was a 10 lot. That was crazy.
$100 a pip.
Wow. Never thought I was gonna do a trip like that.
That is pretty wild then.
Let's see, give me a stop loss. That was so wild, and like that definitely woke me up now. 16 194. Let's go. Let's go.
Ooh, imagine if you kept that 10 lot.
Yeah.
That would have been sick.
I don't have the balls to do that. Not yet. That's, yeah. Imagine though, right now I've been up 3 pips. I wasn't quick though, man. Just when it was going down, it's just like, frick, I'm gonna put a sell stop.
And then it just like fucking happened.
It just went, man. Just flew.
It went quick.
And I thought it was gonna get at like 22, but nah, man. Nah. That was crazy.
That was a nice trade.
Well, we'll see. It's, I don't know. Nothing's happened just yet. 97, 5, 4. I'll put the stop at 30.03. Oh man, that got me sweating. Wow, I felt like I saw my life flash in front of my eyes. Frick. Whew. Yeah. Come on, push down. Let's go to hole number 16.
Are you gonna get your 10 pips in a runner?
Yeah. Actually, I don't know, man. Yeah, probably. I don't have a runner. I just put in one position just because, you know.
Yeah, fair enough.
I might just get my 10 pips and just call it a. Oof, markets are dropping too. Wild. If the markets want to give me 10 pips, that is, but I don't know. It is what it is. For a second, now I know how Yuri feels. But he goes way fatter.
Yeah, he does.
Damn, silver dropped quite a bit, eh?
What dropped?
Silver?
Yeah, I know. This one tanked. At least it hit my area of 23 before tanking. But like, damn, that's a fat fucking tank after. US dollar's ripping
gold
right now
too?
though.
Holy smokes.
It's 'cause-
54?
It's because the US
That's
dollar's
insane.
just fucking on a tear right now. So I guess that's what's making these pairs drop.
Come on. Man, yeah, I should have been quicker. If I had like the sell stop, then I would have been already out of this trade. God dang it.
Yeah, the 25 to 15. That would have been it. It just moved fucking quick though. You're like, yeah, I think I'm gonna do it, and then boom,
And then
fucking
boom.
crashed.
But I don't know, with that kind of candlestick formation, like if you look 10, 15 minute, like since it's just like closed, like it's, I don't know, that's a very strong candle, and I think it might push down a little bit lower.
Yeah, I think so too.
I hope the 16 draws it. The whole number draws it, but we'll see. Come on, clean traffic.
Should continue this next candlestick. 15
Yeah.
minute, yeah, I think it's good. 15 minute went below, closed below, so it'll be pretty good.
Yeah,
I'll be right back.
sure. Oh, let's see if Euros will retrace all the way back, but it is the push up, grab liquidity, and then push its way back down. 20-minute just closed. It's still closed below, so still bearish with a big wick on the 20-minute chart. Simmer has the 15. Let's see, 30-minute. Well, it's gonna close in 10 minutes, but that is definitely a crazy push down. Yeah. And let's see, 5-minute. Yeah, 5-minute looks like it might push back up. We might get a retest and then a push down. That's why I put my stop at 30.03. It's a little bit more than 10 pips, but we'll see. I have a feeling it's gonna get drawn down to like the 1600 levels. I mean, it already made its break. We've had like a bearish intraday, and actually, if you look on the higher time frames daily, it's been bearish for the last week or so. So odds are it might go down more, but of course we're dealing with intraday moves, 10 pips up or down, or a little bit more right now. So we'll see what the market gives us or takes away.
Yo, damn,
Yo,
what
what's
the
up?
fuck?
Oh, it's all good, man. We'll see how this closes. I might just punch out early. Just
Damn,
call
did
it.
everything do that? What the hell, man? This
Oh
is.
wow, gold.
I might just stop trading Fridays, to be honest. Fuck.
I mean, I don't know, man. I
Oh,
really think it's with Powell and stuff talking too.
well, you talked earlier this week
Yeah,
for
so
4 days.
then everyone's just deciphering. So it's just like back and forth.
Yeah, that's true.
But I mean, I don't think Fridays are like some Fridays are good, some are bad.
It's true.
I
I
mean,
think
ideally speaking, if I'm looking back at this and stuff, like maybe
25.
best thing wasn't to enter or just to punch out small, just because. Yeah, if it was,
Well, you had
I'm
the
just saying
25 to 15. That was the area, right? Yeah.
that was the area, and by now I would have. Yeah, I got stopped out. Because by now I would have been like, at least I would have broke even the trade. So,
Yeah, fair enough.
but it is what it is. Okay.
And then I'm gonna end it.
Yeah, ended up.
Well, thanks. Throwbacks tuning in all week. Thanks,
Yeah,
everybody.
throwbacks.
Uh,
Cheers.
see you guys.